What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the PlayStation 4 error. The error code is SU-42118-6. It's a system software error. Sometimes your system is not going to update. So here we go to the screen. I'm just share my screen on my left side. And here we are at the screen. Go to the setting. Must check the system software update first. And the system software, if the system software is updated, then okay. If not updated, you must download a system software from the PlayStation, and here you can initialize your PlayStation 4 restore setting. But I'm just going to suggest you just simply download a system software and put in the USB. Then you just go to the safe mode and download it, and install it. But I'm just going to tell you just simply go to the safe mode and rebuild the database. After that, you get back on your screen and go to the system software here and simply just update it. It will be updated. By rebuilding the database, your corrupted file will be deleted and it will be work on your PlayStation 4. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you need any help or a query, just leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.